All right, let's do another soft set. Let's just keep it rolling. I don't remember this one. I think we get a lot of ceiling in the. Wait, hold on. No, not one of these is just like all ceiling, car ceiling. No, I wish.
Yeah, I'm pulling over, dick.
Why did you have a seatbelt on back there? Just forget to put it on?
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm wearing my seatbelt.
You didn't have it on a while ago. I was in the median when you
Dude's got to get that engine checked.
came by and you didn't have it on.
Alright.
You get your license on you?
I mean, I do, but I'm not technically driving, you know? I'm traveling. And I don't think not wearing a seatbelt is a crime.
It's an infraction.
Well, that's kind of like for commercial drivers.
No,
you know?
it's not. You have to wear your seatbelt.
I'm just a man traveling.
Okay. Don't go nowhere.
All right.
Be right back.
Just traveling. Oh wait, hold on. I got it. Oh wait. Oh shit! I didn't download it.
Battery.
Let's see if we can add it real quick. Jesus, Mark was saying.
Strawman got me taken down, broken windows, twisted dreams. Oh, 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 I declare my rights aloud, but the handcuffs always gleam. I do not consent, no sir, no way, I don't need your laws today. In foil fez, crown of confusion, oxymoron, no, just a moron illusion. I do not consent, oh, you don't have jurisdiction, but here I am, caught in contradiction. Am I being detained? I shout to the skies. Driver's seat in my courtroom throne, but the flashing lights won't leave me alone.
Yeah, I'll reserve my rights. But
I'll reserve my rights.
North Carolina, they give you those printouts where you don't sign it. They're just like here, and it's not even a contract.
It's not a contract. It's a right. It's not even a left. Foil Fez, crown of. Oh, come on. You guys started talking and then turned the music off.
Stupid ass seatbelt bullshit. Trying, how much was that shit? Like 150 fucking dollars? 180 fucking dollars. Fuck that shit.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
You can be placed on arrest for failing to produce your ID. Alright?
That's not a law either.
It is.
No, that's not a law. If I only have to produce ID if I'm committing a crime. I haven't committed a crime. I'm not harming it. I'm not harming anyone. I'm just traveling. I'm not harming anyone, and you're trying to charge me $180.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna go back to my car.
I mean, I'll take the ticket if you want to give me the ticket.
Produce your ID.
Plus court costs.
I mean, I'm not consenting to driving, I'm just saying. But I'll give you my ID just so I ain't trying to be threatened with arrest when I've committed no crime. I've done nothing wrong. I don't know if you've ever heard the United States Constitution, but that's there to stop people from being harassed, you know?
I appreciate your cooperation. I'll be right back.
Okay. And excuse me, sir, if you give me a ticket, I would like to be able to have 2 copies. I would like to sign it.
Sign it?
Yeah, if I'm going to contract with you, then...
We don't sign copies.
Well, then I don't want to contract with you then.
I'll be right back.
I've got about 12 versions of the Tinfoil Fez song. I'm trying to figure out which ones I want to publish. Uh-oh, it fell apart. We gotta fix it. Just a moron.
Illusion. I do not consent. Whoa, you don't have jurisdiction, but here I am. Caught in contradiction. You don't have jurisdiction, but here I am. Caught in contradiction.
Oh, that's such a good song. Yeah, I wrote that with like a ska theme in my head, and then I moved it over to punk, to Irish punk.
Nah, this is pretty big.
Then went
Pretty
to rap.
wide view.
Oh,
They could probably
Oh.
even see you in it.
okay.
There's this buddy that's gonna walk home, I hope. That just so happens to be traveling. Caught in. It's a good camera. He's got some bugs on his windshield. Maybe dirt. I don't know. Doug's Burt. Bugs dirt. It's just if people pull over and they can't pull over for a seatbelt, they just too good if you pull. Yeah.
Here comes another one.
Good
Yeah.
grief.
It used to be like that in Colorado too.
Seatbelt.
Mm-hmm.
Which is my word against his, because he has no proof that I wasn't wearing a seatbelt. I had a seatbelt on when he walked up. Good grief.
No. None.
All this wasted time and money.
Because you didn't wear your
Seatbelt.
seatbelt.
This is ridiculous, man. 3 cop cars now. I think. Yeah, 3 of them. Over just me because I'm like, dude, I'm not driving. I mean, who cares
I'm
about
traveling.
Dude, you're gonna charge me because I'm not protecting myself? Please.
The answer is yes.
This is ridiculous.
You and your Red Raider friend.
Foil Fez on your crown, cardboard law in a ghost town, broken windows, twisted dreams, yelling name on the glow screen. Court of idiots in an orange sheen. Word salad storm in a stale room. Judge just sighs bang doom. I do not consent to cry again, but Steve,
Come on, cop, come back. Oh, we get a took and chan this one though.
Foil Fez, 10 Foil Fez, took it, took it, took it, took it, 10 Foil Fez, 10 Foil Fez, took it, took it, took it, took it, took it, took it, took it.
There's a court date up there. It's not mandatory.
So
It can be
why
paid
why
off online
can't I
immediately.
sign? Why do you just hand someone a contract that they don't sign?
It's not a contract.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's a contract. If I take that from you, I'm contracting
Sir,
with
you have to take the
I
citation.
would rather not contract with you.
You have to take the citation.
You know, it would
What
save
you
us
want,
a lot of time.
what you want to do with it after when you get finished with this stop, it's up to you. But you have to take the citation in your possession. It assures me that you know your court date up here.
What's the law that says I have to take that?
You have to take the citation.
Why do I
It's a
have
summons.
to? I haven't committed any crimes. You do understand
wear
that
your
driving
seatbelt.
is a commercial term, right? You know, driving is a commercial term.
So
You know.
if you take your citation, your license, you can go on your way.
All right.
You have a safe day.
Oh, hey, what's your badge number and? You sure? Fucking asshole. $180. $180 fucking dollars. What's the court date?
Probably fucking 2 months from now.
Fucking asshole.
Wait. Gonna be a huge lawsuit.
Trooper D. Lucido. Number 1605. Tyrant ass motherfucker.
Oh yeah. Let's hear that truck get started.
I should have let that motherfucker arrest me. I got shit to do.
Oh, I could take my mixer out and play the song of that car starting. Sorry, these soft sits aren't that fun, but I'm addicted to them, so I'm gonna play them if I find them. Yeah. The thing I know, but if you get a noise like that, if it's a stable, consistent noise, it's not that bad. But if it goes up and down with the RPMs, you're pretty much gonna need a new engine.